Hey guys, today let's try to fix photos not loading on your iPhone. So if in the case that your photos aren't loading on your iPhone device, this could be a problem with your storage. So you gotta go ahead and tap on your settings option over here, tap on your general tab, and then I want you to tap on iPhone storage. Now if in the case that you have a full iPhone storage and well, iPhone recommends you to delete some of your files to basically give you more storage so that your iPhone is basically going to work better, go ahead and do so. So delete some of your videos if you basically have a lot of videos. You can also proceed with deleting your recently deleted album. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. And once that is also done, that should basically solve your problem with your photos not loading on time. And one more thing we should also make sure of is that we have the latest version of our software installed on our device. So tap on your software update right here, still on the general tab, and then make sure that you have the latest version of iOS 17 installed. So if you do have an update like this, go ahead and update your applications or your devices to the latest version of iOS so that bugs like this would be fixed, giving you the best user experience possible. Now, essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.